Umatri rang ba ka jala ukan rat sangma mynta ka sngi ka khat kandatarik uyayong arajar arpulai uralik ban Jurip iki mananye ïalehkai hapo Madan Polo kejing Jurip ka ban kong kalong ya ka mananye klai football abjul tip kong fast ground ka badan don mata hapen kejing ramat bar kejing penbha man penlong kong kawai ni ki madan ïalehkai ki babyang bha amtang ka shalong rei hakathan chitai lami ihi paro kawai hakani kejing ni Jurip jong umatri rang ba la don lang ru kinong penya jong ka Meghalaya Football Association hakabali i maka company ka bersimti ban snem ban penbha ya kini keman football kalang play shot na kamtam penbet penbiang ya keman ïalehkai hakani ka jala ban kamtam eru kum ka jing pe chkhmat na ka banta ban pelong ya ka national games hakani ki snem keman wan Asran ran ya muti rang ba daki officer Jakarta Sports wa kamjuru kiwe de kinoket kam jok MFA but kamjuru ki badai na ka engineering wing jok state sports council jong ka jala
I mean, we're trying to do something, but not really getting there.
Rai iru bah kali kajing net Jurip nak kaliang ka company ka bersimti man senai kali kamaran kala peni deki drawing rangkat bat ki widi kajing tho ya ka dur kadar ba kajing penlong ya kan iki manan ïalehkai hakaba kala peni deki drawing bat kajing draw nadu ke jakayen kali ki jakai ïalehkai ki jakai mare bat ki widi kajing kam kat kum kajing kam jong ki stadium na deki manan ïalehkai jong di kajuk ka pemerintah
Work that's going on in the Polo in the first ground. As you can see that we have put the AstroTurf already, and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July, and you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up. So we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football, and in collaboration with the community and the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself, and we have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of AstroTurf. So that process also will start very soon, and I expect that we should.
Noro kajing de Jurip ya ka first round kaliang jok mutirang baru urali man Jurip ya kajing sna ya ka Indo Stadium. Hang tei hapo Jawanari Sports Complex hakaba mutirang ba ulong bakan nong ka Indo Stadium ka bahetang hakatan chatai lam yi bar ko wei. Udah Jurip ru ya kajing sna ya ka JN Stadium kamtam ya kajing penbha ya ki mata ke wasyapo. Hakaba kandon kajing ya mare kum ki athletics ki high jump bat ki video ki jeng kam kat kum ka stadium jangan ka jok ka pemerintah.
So now we are at the third location, which is the indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire Northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here, and most of the disciplines, when we combine all the 3 stadiums, we'll be able to see that we'll be able to cover most of the major disciplines that are there. And even with this very standard and state-of-the-art indoor stadium, will be able to in the future host national level tournaments as well as international level tournaments also. So the work is going on at full speed. Of course, the foundations are just being laid, as you can see, but this work will take a bit more time. So we do expect that this also will be completed soon, but I'm happy to see the progress of the work. And once these kind of infrastructures throughout the state come up, this will be a great blessing and an opportunity for the youth of our state who are very much into sports. And I'm hopeful that facilities like this will give them opportunities.